Miamuno umurikito Gilbert Kobi asogotwaliganiria oroboti urutogo tigana nayo nagusuka guciase oroboti runde ekyombe kirigetenenerete amangana yo kubabeka borokigwa ase chiskuru bagochi ose university amone chitivet kimanyikante buna KUCCPS gose KUCCPS nigo litukulia rero kyabage kubwatuka machibu yo mwaka yoiga asa borokigwa wetani chiri buchimi bere na merongo kyanda barachigosoa ase university amone chitivet elikwanyorera amasomo ase birongo biguru kono litukulia rero korwa somo chomonene o Nairobi umuwaziri wechisemi muske Julius Migos Ogamba nigabereka gotebabuna eserikali nigira chikogendera gusira masomo ase chinsemo na kubolia borokigwa kwebwaterania amona masomo ayora chikuba konya asa matukari bosyo.
The Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service has completed the 2026-2027 placement cycle of students to universities and colleges. Since 2014, when we began the centralized placements under the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service, there has been significant growth and advancement in the placement sphere. To illustrate the growth, during its first ever placement in June 2014, KUCCPS placed a total of 72,338 students to the universities and colleges compared to the 293,869 students who are being placed today. These numbers tell the story of a tertiary education sector that is progressively maturing, marked with career guidance and increasing access and equity. We have moved from 72,000 to almost 300,000 being placed today.